Hello friends, welcome to Goemkarponn with me Suraj Nandekar in this special episode of Straight Talk. Today we have a special guest, Mr. Michael Lobo. He recently switched over from BJP to Congress. For the first time, he is going to the voters asking for votes on hand symbol. Let's talk to him and ask him what led to his departure from BJP to Congress and how has been the voter response. Welcome, Michael. Bob, after winning on BJP ticket for last two terms, for the first time you are going to the voters asking for votes on hand symbol. How has been their response?
People of Kalangut constituency, especially the belt of Kanduli and Kalangut, they were always more inclined towards the Congress. Now, since I was contesting over there and people knew me, from the first election, when I was supported by Joseph Siqueira and the
Agnel and
leaders, no, it was against Agnel.
yeah,
Agnel was the sitting MLA of Congress.
yeah, Anthony and Joseph.
Everybody supported me in a manner in which we all said that there is a change which is required. In that change, I got elected in 2012, and people have seen my work from then. And I got elected last time also on a BJP ticket. So this time when I go to the people and ask for a vote, they smile at me and say, "Don't worry, we are with you." So it is like people have seen my work, people have recognized that what I have done in the constituency is in the interest of the people and the need of the hour for the tourism industry to grow. We have supported the local person, we have supported the local business community in different ways. In ways of they wanting to start a new fresh startup, they wanting to start something in a restaurant line, shack line, or anything related to tourism industry was always supported by my office and me and all of us.
So you mean to say that if you had gone on the BJP symbol this time, people wouldn't vote. So you are considered as a leader of the masses actually here in Kalangut.
No, I would have gone on the BJP symbol. There was nothing wrong for me to go. But Jay Span, BJP चे leader वाकपाक लागले. Jay Span party ही येदी ओढली झाली आणि यांच्यानी केली आमच्या गोंयच्या लिडरांनी की कार्यकर्ता जो पार्टी वर्कर आहा तेका खंय तरी सायडीक काडून गेलो उडयलो. Especially the main core worker of the party was sidelined, and that was one of the reason. Like Michael Lobo is being sidelined for what reason? Just because we are Manohar Parrikar's followers. That was one of the reason. Now you can openly see it happening. Parrikar's son is being denied the ticket. So that was one of the reason. Like I had decided 2-3 months back or 6 months back that I will not contest on BJP. This is the main reason, because I came to know that the agenda then, when Manohar Parrikar was there, and the agenda today is different. They are gone into their own world. They think that people are obligated to them. People will vote for them no matter what comes. We will break the Congress, we will break the MGP, we will break everybody and bring them to BJP. I don't think that will happen. And if that thing happens, I will have to leave politics.
But Michael, I think just 2 days before that, Sadanand Tanawade had said that you are not going anywhere. Okay, and the question arises, first question that arises, you have been talking about the BJP for last 6 years, I guess. So, since 2016, you have been talking about the BJP. Why did you wait till the last minute to actually resign from BJP and join Congress?
So there is a lot of vindictive politics which happens, and you must be aware of the politics which happens all over India. The minute you go against the ruling dispensation, you are being fixed. I didn't want to get myself fixed. For what reason should I get myself fixed? I have worked so hard for the party. I have decided that I will not contest again on the BJP symbol. I will go with the Congress. It's because Congress is a fresh startup. It's a fresh start. It's a new beginning where all the leaders who are in Congress have left. All the chief ministerial candidates who were there, 5 of them, they all left, except only one is remaining. He is the person who has held a fort. Only one remained.
So Goemkarponn.
Yeah. You look at how the things have gone. The party which was the single largest party had 5 ministerial candidates. They could not form the government because all were fighting for the same position.
So you have been saying that you left BJP because of neglect and sideline. But the BJP is trying to say that their narrative is totally different. They are trying to say that you quit only because your wife did not get a ticket.
It's totally wrong. I have clarified this on many occasions. That I have never asked a ticket from them. And that's true.
You never asked a ticket from. So, but
I never asked 2 tickets from them. My ticket was birth natural, I would have got. I have never asked for my wife. Because I knew that they would not give me. Secondly, I didn't want to contest with them. See, I had it in my mind that I will not want to contest. But when I saw that things are getting bad to worse, I saw that the real issues of the people of Goa are not looked at and addressed. Their agenda is something else only. Finally, Chief Minister tried to divide the people just before the code of conduct could come on religious lines. So practically, people in Goa are the people, I think for me it looks like that the Chief Minister stays in Sakre, so he doesn't come across all the community people. Maybe he is speaking in that language. Maybe to impress the national president JP Nadda ji. But in Goa it doesn't work. Polarization never works. And the party who tries to do this polarization is always sent home. So BJP will be sent home because of people like our Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, their organizing secretary and all those others who are there, who are trying to polarize, who think that beyond them there are no other people staying in Goa, who think that they can use their own people and they would have the control of Goa. Goa is a place which is not meant to be ruled. It has to be loved by the leaders. In a democratic setup, there is nothing as such as ruling. They want to rule us. ते आमचेर हुकूमत करूंक सोदता आनी त्या खातीर मायकल लोबोन डिसायड केलें की आमी हिंगासून सोडून वचपाचें. रुलिंगांसून सोडून येयला.
But they were also alleging that you wanted a total control of Bardesh Taluka.
Never. Now where I am controlling Bardesh Taluka. I am not controlling anything. People have to control their own talukas, their own villages and own constituencies. People of Mapsa will decide who will be their next MLA. People of Aldona will decide who will be their next.
No, but you have been promoting the candidates.
No, I am only helping the people.
Kedar.
I am helping the people to identify the best candidate. I am helping the people who would be with the people. I am helping the candidate who will work for them. I am making it sure that that candidate will stand by the people after winning. I will make sure that this candidate do the people's work. आमी बेश्टे सांगूंक ना की हो कॅन्डिडेट जिखतलो आनी हो कॅन्डिडेट बरो म्हणून. ताका रिजन आहा.
You joined Congress actually about this Bardesh thing only. You were also promoting one Tarak Arolkar in Aldona.
See, Tarak Arolkar is a dear friend of mine for many years. Tarak Arolkar हो Aldonaचो भाग पण म्हापसा म्युनिसिपल कावन्सिलान आहा. तेका आमी तेन्ना अशेंच म्हणलेलें की तुमी why don't you contest the elections of the municipality? And then he smiled at me, and then when he went and gave it a thought, he came back to me and said, I will contest. So when it came to contesting, he and his brother both contested, both won. So people were looking out for a change from the BJP ruled municipality, and that is where we got a change. Actually 9 plus 2 were independents. आमकां बहुमत मेळ्ळें एक्चुअली. आमी थिंगा कॅन्डिडेट घालूंक नासले, ते दोग जाण इंडिपेंडंट जिखले. So people of Mapsa wanted a change, they got a change. Say now also people want a change in the elections of assembly, they will get the change.
Yeah, you're talking about again Bardez. We saw a photograph of Aman Lotlekar touching your feet that day. It went viral.
It's not touching my feet. It is I am in politics for last 10 years. He is a new entrant in politics, so he seeked blessings from me. It's when you are an elderly person, elder to him, and when you are elder in politics, like I go and take blessing from an elderly person, from Zanto जो आहा घरान, or आमची आवय जी आहा, grandmother जी आहा, तेची आमी blessing घेवप. तशें अमन लोटलेकर seeked blessing of the political person. I am a political person, means I am actively involved in politics, so he seeked my blessing. I got the ticket, sir. Please bless me.
Michael, but one important question here. Last week you tweeted, actually you offered a ticket to Reginald.
No,
You asked him to join Congress, rejoin Congress. And did you not ask the Congress High Command before making such an offer?
See, I did not offer him any ticket. I said he needs to come and strengthen the Congress party. There's nothing wrong in that by saying all these things. It is with the party to decide whether they will take him or not, because he was strong. He had a strong hold in the Congress, a pure congressman, a true congressman who wanted to join AAP because he got fed up that Congress, everybody is leaving Congress and going. Then he stopped, he didn't join AAP. He did a rethink on that. Then he immediately thought like, no, again I am wrong, let's join TMC, and he resigned. His ticket was confirmed by the Congress party, and after ticket was confirmed, he resigned and he went on to join TMC, and then he realized that TMC is no good for him. He resigned from TMC and he was waiting to come back to Congress. So Congress thought like, I don't know like what they thought. Even I thought like, I don't know what's wrong with Reginald. Like what is happening to him? Like itle unstable in the mind is bad for politics. You should know what you are doing. Like I have taken a decision. It is a decision by myself and my constituency people. After due consultation with my constituency people, after due consultation with the people of Shualim constituency, people of Saligaon constituency, I have consulted people of Mapsa that I am resigning from BJP and joining Congress. So they have all accepted. They all gave me a go-ahead green signal. And then I have resigned and I have joined the Congress. Today I am a congressman. I will see that no matter what it takes, I have to form the next government. And in the next government, we will work together for the people of Goa. This should be our commitment. And yeah, commitment घेऊन आम्ही पुढे वळता.
Realistically, how many seats do you think Congress will win?
22 plus in 22.
In 2022.
That was my slogan. You can ask CM when you are alone, not with the mic. तुम्ही माईक घेऊन येवशा तुका सांगचो ना तो. तेका सांग एक चाय पे चर्चा करूया म्हणून बेश्टी. आणि असो बसानी दुसरी टॉपिक काढा मागीर ही टॉपिक तुजी मायकलान कशी चल्ली रे ती 22 आणि 22 अशें तूं विचारशी जाल्यार तो मागीर सांगतलो तुका मायकलानूच म्हटलेलें म्हणून.
Now,
We took it back.
if elected to power,
Uh,
what will be your position in Congress?
that party will decide. See, it is not my party. I was with the Congress long back when I was not an elected representative. Then I became a ZP. I became a panchayat member, sarpanch. I became a BJP MLA, again BJP MLA. Now I have joined Congress. The Congress is a party which has got headquarters in Delhi. So they will decide, and Goa Pradesh Congress Committee in Panjim, they will decide what would be my role in the next government.
So
But
you
I am
are
confident that the government is coming.
the Congress government.
Yeah, sure.
It is being said that Congress will project you as the next CM.
See, again, I am telling you, I cannot comment on this topic at all, because see, we also have a very senior person in the party.
What if you give Congress 5 seats in party?
Again, I am telling you, we have a very senior person in Congress, and he is Goemkarponn. He is the only person who remained with the Congress when everybody abandoned the sinking ship. Everybody was
That
calling.
is so why is Congress
Everybody
not
was
an-
calling-
Why is Congress not announcing him as the same candidate?
No, everybody was saying that the ship is sinking, except Michael Lobo. My thought, my brain said that this ship cannot sink.
So no, why is the Congress not announcing him as the
No,
same
I am
candidate?
just telling you that he is a senior most person, ex-chief minister of Congress party. It is with the party to decide whether he would be the chief minister or not. I think we should still wait for the verdict of the people of the state of Goa, who have decided in their mind and in their heart that they want a change in government. And obviously it will be Congress, because Congress party is giving fresh faces to the people of Goa, is giving new faces to the people of Goa, are giving clear faces to the people of Goa, that we are starting from the scratch.
Yeah, but your rivals in Colombo, who were earlier Congress members, they have joined TMC. Is it going to hurt you somewhere?
No, I smile at them when I look at them. That what are they up to?
They are not.
Where they want to head on? Like, when I sit at home and I decide like what I want to do next, so I go out and I do that next. When I was a minister, when I was a MLA, our debates used to be in the assembly. Now in opposite is Manohar Parrikar and I am an MLA. I have a right to speak in the house. Though I am a BJP man, I used to see that Manohar Parrikar looks at me when I am debating. When he used to write his notes in the assembly, and when I am giving my speech on whether it is tourism, whether it is mining. One day, I was deputy speaker and I was talking on mining. And he stopped writing what he was writing and he is looking at me at what I am trying to tell him. In short, I tried to tell him that you are the cause of stopping the mining in the state of Goa. So that guts you must have to tell, and that guts he must have to listen to that thing. That was our physics and chemistry which used to work in the house, and that was the debates which we Goans are looking at today.
No,
See,
my
I am not accusing him of anything. He was a great leader, but that particular thing was something which did not go well with the people of Goa. You shouldn't stop something. He stopped it. You shouldn't stop. You can do so many things. Repair it, damage control. Wherever there are loopholes, tighten those screws. Wherever there are openings, close them, plaster them, cement them. But when a business is established and it is running well, if there are illegalities, stop the illegality. Irregularity, stop it. Illegality. So whatever word you call it, you stop it. But don't stop the mining. Stop those gaps in between the this thing, not only mining, tourism or whatever it is. We have seen in COVID times when we stopped our businesses of hotels, to restart it, every hotel had to spend around 30, 40, 50 lakhs, 1 crore. Some big hotels had to spend 2, 3 crores, 5 crores. There are sewage treatment plants, there are linen, there are rooms to refurbish, to clean them, to bring them back to normal, their receptions, everything paint, everything dampness, everything happened inside. So what I'm trying to tell you in short is we need to be responsible for whatever we do as legislators.
If you said at the start of the interview that you are Parrikar follower, if Manohar Parrikar was alive, would Michael Lobo leave the party?
No.
You would have still stayed with him.
Party with a difference is what I said in the assembly was because of Manohar Parrikar. Manohar Parrikar used to take everybody along when it came to Bharatiya Janata Party. And everybody felt that it is his own party. And when he used to say no to somebody also, he had a way of saying it. He used to tell that person, make him sit on the table, across the table, he used to sit next to him, convince him, talk to him, do whatever is required to see that everything is balanced. And for Goans, whether it is a Hindu, Catholic, Muslim, Manohar Parrikar was Goa. Nobody looked at him at any religion or anything. Like how these people are trying to polarize to get the votes. They thought like all the Hindus will stand by them. No. I go and sit and drink and eat in Hindu person's house more than what the chief minister is doing. He may be a Hindu, but he would never go to a Hindu house and eat the number of times I eat.
So you said.
I have connect.
So
that is the bonding what we have. He's trying to disturb it. Is not acceptable.
So you mean to say now the denial of ticket to actually Manohar Parrikar?
See, I'll tell you that. Manohar Parrikar did not want. I used to always ask him why you are not bringing Utpal in active politics. एक Parrikar पुरो नो रे तुका. म्हाका पिडता तसो तेकाय पिडूंक सोदता तूं. Means he used to crack that joke. Means he had that bonding with us. He had that connect with us. So what he used to say, I am not enough. I am there now. After my exit, let Utpal come, was always in his mind. Whoever may say today, no, he didn't want Utpal or Abhijat to come in politics. From his point of view, whenever he used to address them, he used to say, "Tumi ani ena kai itum. Ami चौथीक वयताले घरा आनी थिंगा मागीर खूब उलोवप जातालें ते एक देड वर मेवतालो आमकां उलोवपाक आमी जेयता उलयताले तेजे कडेन सो हांव कित्याक सांगूंक सोदता हें तुका हे आपूण गेले काय तेणी येयल्यार जाता आपूण आसतना तें नाका आपूण एक मनोहर पर्रीकर पुरो आनी एक पर्रीकर मागीर सो पूण तेजे मनान आसलें की अभिजात मागीर येवचो ओ उत्पल मागीर येवचो पूण आतां ते जेन्ना येवंक सोदता तेंकां हाडूंक कोण सोदिना ते लोकांनी पळोवचें मातशें कोण हाडूंक सोदिना त्या मनशा खातीर आमी पार्टी सोडली
तेणें नेम समान
ते मागीर नेम करतलो इलेक्शन जावन
Michael Bob, एक last question to there are allegations on social media, I read it often. You have been planted in the Congress, so if Congress forms a government, you will break away from them and come to BJP.
See, this breaking away has to stop now. This आमी जे म्हणटा breaking away, वो सोडून वयतलो, तेका पयशे दिल्यार तेका उखलून जाता, तेका भंय घालून तेका व्हरोंक जाता. हें जर तर आयज आमी ठामपणी एक गोंयच्या लोकांक आयज उतर दिना जाल्यार ही पॉलिटिक्स आमी सोडपाक जाय. हांव कित्याक म्हणटा तुका सोडपाक जाय लोक कितले विश्वासान आमकां चिंतून हाडटा आयज मायकल लोबो आख्खी कोंगोटी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी पर्रा आसूं खंयतरी आसूं एक विश्वास दाखोवन लोक आमकां जिखोवन हाडपाक जाय काँग्रेस पार्टी. तशेंच खंय तरी MGP पार्टीक खंय तरी थिंगासरले लोक जिखोवन हाडपाक. तेंचो विश्वासघात करून तूं दुसरे पार्टीन वचप, तेंचे कडेन परत वचनासतना हें रॉंग. तुका वचोंक जाय दुसरे कडेन, तूं हिंगासर तुजें सारकें नांव कशें दिसता तुका, तूं रिजायन जा, परत वच इलेक्शनाक त्याच लोकां कडेन की आपूण रिजायन जाला ह्या कारणाक लागून आय एम कम बॅक टू यू, आय एम रिजायनींग नाव एंड आय एम टेलिंग द रिजन वाय आय एम रिजायनींग एंड आय एम गोईंग बॅक टू देम टू सीक अ फ्रेश वोट टू contest on Congress or contest on MGP or contest on BJP. अशी कोणाक गट्स आसा तेणी करूंक जाय.
Sir,
जे mandate.
but in 2019, you played a major role in bringing 10 Congress MLAs.
No, that is wrong. I was informed at the last minute. Said Michael, tomorrow 10 MLAs are coming from Congress party. You need to be there. And day after is the swearing in, where you are one of the ministers. आता जेन्ना म्हाका सांगता मुख्यमंत्री की फाल्यां काँग्रेसचे 10 जाण येता, तूं आसूंक जाय थिंगा आनी परवा तुमचें स्वेरींग इन, म्हणजे तितून तूंय आहा, जाल्यार हांव वचपाचें न्हू, आमी वचपाकूच जाय. हांव पार्टीन आहा.
play any role in that.
नो, हांव पार्टीन आहा. हांव आयज काँग्रेस पार्टीन आहा. आय वील मेक शुअर दॅट काँग्रेस पार्टी फॉर्म्स द गव्हर्मेंट. आय वील वर्क टील 14th of February to see that Congress forms the government. अशें आसपाक जाय. हे कमिटमेंट, हे म्हाजें कमिटमेंट पार्टीक.
Thank you, Michael Bab. You answered all the questions actually what Goans had in their minds after you quit the party. And thanks for clearing all the doubts and telling the people and assuring the Congress supporters that you will be there with them until the last minute. Thank you very much.